Hello there everyone and welcome back guys. In this video guys I will be cleaning the engine bay, and by no means this engine is dirty, it just has a little bit of dust on it, and I will be using the Carter SC2 steamer with a combination of some rinseless wash and a drying towel. So the first step in this process, I'm going to blow the engine with the steamer to loosen up some dirt and getting some dirt, dust out of the nooks and crannies. Again, wherever I have access to. This isn't a deep engine bay wash or clean, so I'm gonna work all the all the areas around the engine bay where I can access, then use my wash mitt to mop it up and then dry with a microfiber drying towel. And this is just a very quick and safe way to sort of tidy up and maintain the engine bay. I am using distilled water in the steamer, and it helps to avoid any kind of mineral residue that might be left behind. And also the steamer itself helps to blow off all the trapped areas where the dirt and dust might be, and it just makes this process a bit more effective. So the second step is to mop up all the steamed areas with the microfiber wash mitt that is soaked in rinseless solution. I try to squeeze the microfiber mitt as much as possible because we don't really need that much fluid on the surface, because we don't really want to get too much water in there because it's going to be a lot more difficult to dry. But just generally mop everything up nicely, and the engine bay is by no means dirty, as I said before. And the final step is just to dry the engine bay. There's not that much fluid, so it is a very, very easy process. Now again, this whole process, if it's a very dirty engine bay, might not be the best thing to do. But on engine bays that I would say are moderately dirty, you can probably get away with it. But just maintaining the engine once in a while, maybe every 2 months, maybe every month if you want to, it's could be a good idea. You can go just straight with the rinseless wash without using the steamer. It's just that the steamer really helps with all this dust and even blowing off some leaves off the surface. It really helps and makes the process a lot more effective. So this is a pretty safe process, especially on these modern engine bays, because all of the electronic components are sealed, and even if you're using a full foam and water wash, it's pretty safe. However, I still prefer to cover the battery and the alternator with some bags if I'm doing a full wash. And especially with this process, I can control the steam. I don't oversaturate the battery with steam. I'm in full control of it. So again, just a bit of awareness and it is pretty safe. So these are the final result, guys. Please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in my next video.